Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for navigating relationships and social interactions. Today, we're diving deep into the art of conversation, specifically 7 conversation starters that are guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. Whether you're on a first date, meeting someone new, or just trying to deepen a connection, these conversation starters will help you stand out and create a meaningful dialogue. Let's jump right in. Section 1, the power of genuine curiosity. Our first conversation starter revolves around the power of genuine curiosity. When you show a sincere interest in someone, it immediately makes them feel valued and appreciated. So instead of the usual, "What do you do?" or "Where are you from?" try this. Conversation starter 1. What's something you're really passionate about but don't get to talk about often? Think about it. Everyone has passions or interests that they don't get to share often. By asking this question, you're not only encouraging them to open up, but you're also setting the stage for a deeper, more meaningful conversation. Plus, it's a refreshing break from the usual small talk. Section 2, the nostalgia angle. Next up, let's tap into the power of nostalgia. Nostalgia can be a powerful emotional trigger, creating an instant connection between you and the person you're talking to. Here's a conversation starter that's sure to take her down memory lane. Conversation starter 2. What's a memory from your childhood that still makes you smile? Childhood memories are often filled with warmth, innocence, and joy. By bringing up this topic, you're inviting her to share a piece of her past that likely holds a lot of positive emotions. This not only creates a bond between the two of you, also makes the conversation more personal and memorable. Section 3, the unusual what-if scenario. Moving on, let's explore the world of what-if scenarios. These can be fun, thought-provoking, and can reveal a lot about someone's personality and imagination. Here's a conversation starter that's both creative and engaging. Conversation starter 3. If you could live in any fictional world for a day, where would you go and why? This question is a great way to dive into someone's interests, whether they're a bookworm, a movie buff, or just love to dream. It's a fun escape from reality and can lead to some really interesting discussions about favorite books, movies, or even wild imagination. Conversation starter 4. What's a principle or value that you try to live by every day? This question cuts through the surface-level chit-chat and gets right to the heart of what makes someone who they are. It shows that you're interested in more than just the superficial, and that you value substance in a conversation. Plus, it's a great way to learn about what truly matters to the other person. Section 5. The shared experience of travel. Let's talk about travel. Almost everyone loves to travel, or at least dreams about it. Discussing travel experiences or dreams can be both exciting and revealing. Here's a travel-related conversation starter that's sure to spark some enthusiasm. Conversation starter 5. What's the most unforgettable place you've ever visited, and why did it leave such an impact on you? Travel experiences are often filled with adventure, learning, and growth. By asking about her most unforgettable place, you're giving her the chance to relive a special memory and share why it meant so much to her. This can lead to a conversation about culture, experiences, and maybe even future travel plans. Section 6, the fun and lighthearted top 5 game. Not every conversation has to be deep and serious. Sometimes keeping it light and fun is the best way to go. That's where the top 5 game comes in. Here's how you can play. Conversation starter 6. What are your top 5 favorite movies, songs, books of all time? This is a great way to learn about her tastes and preferences without putting too much pressure on the conversation. It's fun, engaging, and can lead to a lively discussion about shared favorites or recommendation. Plus, it's a great way to keep the energy positive and upbeat. Section 7, the future-focused bucket list question. Finally, let's look to the future. Talking about dreams and aspirations can be incredibly inspiring and can give you a glimpse into someone's ambitions and what they're striving for. Here's a perfect question to wrap up your conversation. Conversation starter 7. What's something on your bucket list that you're determined to check off in the next few years? Bucket list items are often deeply personal and carry a lot of significance. By asking this question, you're encouraging her to share her dreams and goals with you, which can create a powerful connection. It also shows that you're interested in her future and what she hopes to achieve. Conclusion. And there you have it. 7 conversation starters that are sure to leave a lasting impression. Remember, the key to a great conversation is not just what you say, but how you listen and respond. Show genuine interest, be open, and most importantly, be yourself. These conversation starters are just tools to help you connect on a deeper level. So go out there, start some amazing conversations, and see where they take you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.